Yes, recording.
Alright, this is a review of the Tekton impact set and the Harbor Freight impact set. This is the Harbor Freight one. It is 37 piece. It costs about $25 with the coupon. It's a basic impact socket set. It has one adapter from 3/8 to 1/2, and it has 19 half-inch sockets, basic sockets, and it has 15 3/8 sockets. It's hard to read the numbers on it. And the comparison is with the Tekton impact socket set, which is 38 pieces. This one. Okay. I weighed them before I started the video. The Tekton weighs about 12.5 pounds and the Harbor Freight about 7.5 pounds, give or take, you know, for the scale. But the advantages of Tekton set is you have deep well socket sets. Harbor Freight doesn't have any. You have laser etching for the numbers. All of them are easy to see. Harbor Freight doesn't have that. Okay. The Tekton has 10 dipole sockets, half-inch, 11 regular sockets, half-inch, and 13 regular 3/8 inch sockets. All of them are 6 points. It has a 3/8 extension and 1/2 inch extension, and it has an adapter. Both sets have that. They both have 2 extensions and an adapter. This set Tekton costs about $65. Harbor Freight about $25 when you have a coupon and get it from Harbor Freight store. Tekton sockets are well finished, deep, nice, heavy, precise, really just nicely done sockets. Harbor Freights are just basic sockets. So it depends on your budget what you want to get. If you need an impact set, if you need a basic impact socket set, you could use the Harbor Freight one. It does the job. My experience with it does the job. If you want a socket set that looks more professional and well finished and easy to read the numbers, then you're better off getting a Tekton set. Both of these have lifetime warranties, so actually I've read good reviews about Tekton if something breaks, but they are well built, they're solid. Harbor Freight, I have nothing negative really to say about them considering the price you pay for them. It's a good basic socket set, but if you want more professional grade kind, then the Tekton set is the one you need to go to. This I got it from eBay, I think, or Amazon. That one, of course, from the Harbor Freight store, not far from here. Both are good sets for the price you pay for them. Actually, Tekton is just professional quality. Thank you.